Hello, I am Dr. Anirudh Daima. I'll be discussing with you the indications of bone marrow transplant. The indications of bone marrow transplant can be divided broadly into malignant diseases and non-malignant diseases. Malignant diseases are most commonly treated, which are those of the blood, with some other malignancies in children which are not of the blood. Malignant disease of the blood, that is blood cancers, these include acute lymphoblastic leukemia, acute myeloid leukemia, multiple myeloma, non-Hodgkin's and Hodgkin's lymphoma, chronic myeloid leukemia, and myelofibrosis. Non-malignant diseases include aplastic anemia, thalassemias, and sometimes certain refractory cases of hemolytic anemias. Now, coming on to the types of transplant. Two types of transplant are there. One is autologous and other one is allogenic. What is autologous? Autologous is where the stem cells which are used in bone marrow transplant are taken from the patient himself or herself. Allogenic transplant is where the stem cells are taken from another donor who is HLA matched completely or not completely matched. Now, autologous transplants are primarily used in disorders such as lymphomas, myelomas, and other solid organ cancers such as pediatric neuroblastomas and Wilms tumors. Now, allogenic transplants form the mainstay of the curative regimen of disorders such as acute lymphoblastic leukemia, acute myeloid leukemia. They are also Allogenic transplants are also indicated in non-malignant disorders such as beta thalassemia major, aplastic anemia, and storage disorders. Now, the difference between allogenic and autologous transplant mainly lies in the immunity that is generated. In an allogenic transplant, the immunity comes from the donor. In the autologous transplant, the immunity comes from the patient himself or herself. The main purpose of an autologous transplant is the use of high dose chemotherapy, which helps in killing the cells, and the stem cells provide a rescue for the bone marrow to grow back. Whereas in allogenic transplant, the immunity is changed, and the change in the immune system provides the much needed help in decreasing the disease and in preventing the disease from coming back.